Welcome to Digital Learning DCE. I am Kausalya S, Assistant Professor from the Department of Mathematics. In this video, we are going to learn standard form of vector and Cartesian equation of a sphere and examples on it. The learning objective of this session is to make the students derive an expression to find the equation of a sphere in standard form. And the outcome of this session is students will be able to derive the standard form of equation in vector and Cartesian form and solve examples to determine center and radius of a sphere. And also to find the equation of a sphere concentric with the given sphere and passing through the center of the sphere. Let us start in detail. So first we'll learn the standard form of the vector equation of a sphere. Consider the vector equation vector r square plus vector 2 into r dot vector a plus d equal to 0. The above equation can be written as vector r square plus 2 vector r into vector a plus vector a square equals vector a square minus d. That means we are adding vector a square on the both sides of equation 1. So LHS, you can see it's in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that can be written as vector r plus vector a dot vector r plus vector a. The RHS will remain as it is as vector a square minus d. R plus a in the next step can be written as vector r minus of minus a dot vector r minus of minus a equal to square root of vector a square minus d the whole square. So this equation is in the form of vector r minus b dot vector r minus b equals r square, which represents a sphere with center at the point whose position vector is vector b and radius equal to r. In the previous session, we have learned the vector equation of a sphere, and this equation also resembles the same equation of a sphere. So we can say that equation 1 represents a sphere with the center at the point whose position vector is minus vector a and radius equal to root of vector a square minus d. This is the standard form of the vector equation of a sphere. Now let us learn the Cartesian form. So for that, let us take vector a as ui plus vj plus wk and vector r as xi plus yj plus zk. Then the vector equation takes of the form x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. This is how means by substituting the value of a and r in the previous vector equation of a sphere. We know that now the vector equation of a sphere is r minus of minus vector a dot vector r minus of minus a equal to the root of vector a square minus d. In this equation, if you substitute the values of vector a and vector r, and if you find the dot product of that after simplification, you are going to get the equation as x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. This is called the standard form of the Cartesian equation of a sphere. And here, the center and radius of the sphere is given by center is minus u, comma minus v minus w, and radius is root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So note down, students, the center and the radius for the Cartesian form of a sphere. Now, let us do one simple example by showing that the equation x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0 represent a sphere. We know the Cartesian form of a sphere is x minus alpha the whole square plus y minus beta the whole square plus z minus gamma the whole square equals r square, which we have learned in the previous equation. If we reduce this equation to that form, we can say that this also represents the equation of a sphere. So for that, consider this equation and add u square plus v square plus w square on both sides of the above equation. So you are going to get, and after rearrangement also, we can write this as x square plus 2ux plus u square plus y square plus 2vy plus v square plus z square plus 2wz plus w square equal to u square plus v square plus w square minus d. You can observe that in this equation, the terms are a plus b the whole square form. So we can write the above equation as x plus u the whole square plus y plus v the whole square plus z plus w the whole square, which is equal to root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d the whole square. This is in the form of x minus alpha the whole square plus y minus beta the whole square plus z minus gamma the whole square equals r square. So we can say that the given equation is the equation of a sphere. That is called as a standard equation of a sphere with the center as minus u, comma minus v, comma minus w, and radius as root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Let us solve some problems based on the standard form of equation of a sphere. The first problem is to find the center and the radius of the following sphere. In that, the first one is x square plus y square plus z square minus 6x plus hy minus 10z plus 25 equal to 0. Now we know that the standard form of the equation is in the form of x square plus y square plus z square plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d equal to 0. So by comparing this equation, the given equation to the standard form, we can get the value of 2u as minus 6. So u will become minus 3. 2v as 8. So v will become 4. 2w as minus 10. So w equals minus 5 and d is equals to 25. So the center of the sphere is given by minus u, comma minus v, comma minus w. So here the center is given by, we can write the center as 3, comma minus 4, comma 5. And the radius is given by the formula root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So here it becomes root of minus 3 the whole square plus 4 square plus minus 5 the whole square minus 25. After simplification, you are going to get 5. So this radius is 5 and the center is 3, comma minus 4, comma 5. A simple example to find the center and radius of the sphere. Another problem is, look at the second problem. We have the coefficients of x square, y square, z square as 4, minus 16x minus 24y plus 43 equal to 0. So the equation is not in the standard form, but by dividing the equation by 4, we can get the standard form. So divide throughout by 4, then we get x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x minus 6y plus 43 by 4 equal to 0. Again, comparing this equation to the standard form, we can get the values of u as minus 2, v as minus 3, and there is no z term, means w is 0, and d is equals to 43 by 4. Therefore, the center is 2, 3, 0, and the radius is root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. So it becomes minus 2 the whole square plus minus 3 the whole square minus 43 by 4. So after simplification, you are going to get the radius as 3 by 2. Simple 2-mark question that you can expect in the exam. Second problem. Find the equation of a sphere whose center is 1, minus 1, 1 and radius is same as that of the sphere 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2x plus 4y plus 6z minus 1 equal to 0. So here we want to find the equation of a sphere, center that given, and given the condition as the radius is same as the sphere 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2x plus 4y plus 6z minus 1 equal to 0. So before finding its radius, we had to divide the equation by 2 on both sides. So we are going to get x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus 2y plus 3z minus half equal to 0. So let us find the radius of the required sphere. So you can see that the value of u will become minus 1 by 2, v is 1, w is 3 by 2, d is minus 1 by 2. So radius formula, if I substitute, r equals root of u square plus v square plus w square minus d. Substitute the values of u, v, w, d as minus 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, and minus half. And simplify that, you are going to get the required radius is 2. Now that given the center 1 minus 1 1. Now easy for us to find the equation of a sphere. So let us take the equation of a sphere in the form of x minus alpha the whole square plus y minus beta the whole square plus z minus gamma the whole square equals r square. Substitute the values of u, v, alpha, beta, gamma as 1, minus 1 and r as 4. And simplify that equation, you are going to get the required equation as x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x plus 2y minus 2z minus 1 equal to 0. Next problem. Find the equation of a sphere which passes through the center of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square plus 4x plus 2y plus 6z plus 3 equal to 0 and center at 1, 3, 0. Here again that given the center, so radius is not given, but clearly said that the equation passes through the center of another sphere. So radius is nothing but the distance between C and the center of the given equation. That is called as equation 1. So center of 1 is nothing but minus 2, minus 1, minus 3 by finding the values of u, v, w in equation 1. So now easy for us to find the radius. Radius is nothing but the distance between A and C. So use a distance formula. It is going to become root 34. Now we have got the radius and we also have the center. So find the equation of a sphere. Again use the formula as x minus alpha the whole square plus y minus beta the whole square plus z minus gamma the whole square equals r square. Substitute the values, you are going to get the required equation of a sphere. Fourth problem, find the equation of a sphere whose center is C minus 1, minus 2, 3 and touches the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 4y minus 2z plus 3 equal to 0. A rough figure I have drawn, you can see that two spheres are there. R1 is the radius of the required sphere and C1 is the center of the required sphere. And R1 and C1 is the center and radius of the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 4y minus 2z plus 3 equal to 0. And C is the center of the required sphere and also R. So C is given, R is not known for us. Let us find R. Center is given, we need to find radius. Let the radius of the required sphere be R. The center of the equation 1 is nothing but 2 minus 2, 1. Now you all know how to find the center using the formula minus u minus v minus w. Using that we have got C1. And the radius also, you know the formula, R1 is root of u square plus v square plus w square minus 3. Substitute the value, you are going to get root 6. Now, let us find CC1, distance between C and C1. So, you are going to get that one as root 13. Now, you can clearly see from the figure, R plus R1 is equals to root 13. Now, we require R, so R will become root 13 minus root 6. That is the required radius of the sphere. So the required equation of a sphere will become x plus 1 the whole square plus y plus 2 the whole square plus z minus 3 the whole square, which will be equal to root 13 minus root 6 the whole square. You can simplify this equation. You are going to get the required equation of a sphere. The next problem is find the equation of a sphere concentric with the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z minus 11 equals 0, but double the radius. So here look at the given data. We need to find the equation of a sphere. What that given is, it is the required sphere is concentric with the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 4y minus 6z minus 11 equals 0. That means the center of these two spheres are same. So we can find the center from this equation. So that will become 1, 2, 3, and that is the center for the required equation of a sphere. Now the radius that given, it is double the radius. So let us find the radius of the given sphere. So radius of the given sphere becomes root of 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 11 equals 5. So radius is double means the radius of the required sphere, it becomes 10. So the equation of a required sphere is x minus alpha the whole square plus y minus beta the whole square plus z minus gamma the whole square equals r square. Substitute the values of alpha, beta, gamma as 1, 2, 3 and r as 10. After simplifying, you are going to get the required equation of a sphere. To learn this topic and the problems, we have referred the following books. Please look at the references. Thank you.